everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Akansha
And I'm Sanskruti.
and we are back with one of the most famous drama, that is True Beauty.
And if you haven't checked out our previous video, do check it out and subscribe to our channel. Im Joo-kyung, played by Moon Ga-young, is a high school student and she is not beautiful according to her generation set standards, and because of that she got bullied very badly.
She even used to run errands for them.
Yes, and that led to her very low self-confidence.
Somehow her father was cheated by some men and they had to move to their old house. And Joo-kyung also was transferred to a new school. But before moving, she learns how to do a proper makeup.
And those Color beauty products, I want to have that.
And she becomes a very famous beauty queen on the very first day of the school. And there she gets involved with the two most popular boys of the school, that is Lee Soo-ho and Han Seo-jun. And the problem was that when they both got a crush on her, and that too a very beautiful and cute crush. While Soo-ho acts super cool and distant from everybody around him due to his family's past and
also his self-guilt.
Self-guilt also. This was a very important point.
Yes.
And there was this Han Seo-jun who used to keep his bad boy image in front of everyone, but actually में बहुत soft-hearted था.
And for both the male characters, we are like Niga no Muchua Otoke. True Beauty has a very basic and predictable plot, but has many good elements.
I mean, the story is very simple. The
Yes.
main points are its plot twist and just how the people are reacting to each other's emotions and the way they are accepting themselves.
It shows high school romance with lots of friendship, heartbreaks, relationships, social beauty norms, and self-acceptance.
So many things in a single drama.
Here, Joo-kyung was shown to be a very timid girl who was bullied due to her looks.
And don't you think it was very different to see her in such timid character after watching her in Tempted, where she was a fierce girl who was ready to do anything.
And here she tries to cover it by makeup, and we can see this is very common nowadays.
I think this issue was somehow needed to be addressed in today's for today's generation. Chemistry between the lead pair is very good.
In fact, all the pairs have very good chemistry.
Even the supporting ones also. And everything is so perfectly synced. Joo-kyung's sister's romance with the teacher. I mean, it was very different from what we have seen till now.
Yeah, it was kind of role reversal where Hee-kyung was super bold and expressive and the teacher was shy and calm.
He was very cute also.
Yes, their scenes are super funny and cute.
Her brother is also shown in a very comic character.
He's my favorite character.
And he used to catch all the couples while they were kissing and he used to say, "Oh my eyes."
He's
Like
just
teasing friends.
Yes, he's just so hilarious about the drama.
오 마이 아이스! 보자마자 지려버릴 클래스! 큰 누나? 어우 쉣 마이 아이스! 누구랑 키스하고 싶다고요? 나왔어. 오 마이 아이스!
나가.
And he used to tease his sister for putting on so much makeup but ended up falling in love with Seo-jun's sister because he never really cared for looks.
Yes. She was quite different from Joo-kyung as she was quite strong and confident about her looks. The drama has so many funny scenes like that one where Soo-ho and Seo-jun fight.
And when they actually supported each other in hospital. I also like the fact that we got to see their friendship in that scene only. So it was beautiful to watch them as
Exactly, and
Small
also
friends.
that dumpling making scenes. Oh my god,
oh,
their
they made
dumplings
dragon and swan.
But it contains so many heartfelt scenes also.
And trust me, I cried when Joo Kyung's mother got to know about her being bullied in the school. It was very emotional kind of
Yes,
scene.
it kind of showed what happens to a teenager in a high school, like in every K-drama, that bullying and all scenes.
And the way they showed that Suho had kept on building all these feelings, and he never really told anyone about what he is feeling and why he is feeling guilty. So the way he expressed all his anger on his father, it was such
I love
impactful
Uno's
scene.
acting there.
정말 아무런 잘못이 없다고 생각하세요? 엄마 죽은 날 당신이 뭘 했는지. 소리. 나가라고!
And I like the fact that how everyone's personal story was so good and developed throughout the
Character
drama.
development was there.
Yes.
Now the most asked question, why did Joo Kyung choose Suho and not Han Sojun?
We know that we all are divided between Team Suho and Team Sojun, right?
Exactly. But we would like to put some points which we think that it was a right decision to choose Suho and not Sojun. So Joo Kyung met Suho when they were child and Suho liked her from then. So it
Also-
was a very major part of the story.
Yes, also because he got to see her without makeup from their first meeting, and that eventually made Joo Kyung comfortable with him.
It made her comfortable. That was why she used to say
Everything
everything
to him.
and anything to him.
Yes.
And because of their similar interest, Suho was very much comfortable around her because he wanted somebody to trust and lean on, and he had no friends. With Han Sojun being angry, he was not having anybody to talk, and Joo Kyung became that person वो उससे
lean on
सारी
or
बातें
talk.
शेयर कर सकता था, and that was very beautiful to watch.
Yes.
So they both became each other's confidant, and I think that made them perfect for each other.
Yes, like even after many attempts, Joo Kyung never saw
never.
Sojun as more than a friend.
Even in those 3 years,
Yes.
she never really looked at him with that perspective.
Yes.
With this being said, we were also very sad for Sojun.
That second lead syndrome.
Totally. I mean, he used to love and protect Joo Kyung, but she was also right on her part to choose Suho.
Yeah, I liked how Sojun does everything with so much love and passion.
The way he goes to the other school to confront bullies for her, oh my
We
god.
gave our hearts to him. And the major point I liked about his character, that he got his moment to confess his love to Joo Kyung.
Which is never, it is not very
Common
common.
in every K-dramas.
Because second leads never get any chance to confess.
좋아한다. 임주경.
All the OSTs from this drama are so beautiful and catchy that I'm dancing, romancing, and make you fall in love is my favorite.
And also those cute cameos from the lead characters of Extraordinary You.
So if you want a classic high school rom-com with equal parts of romance, comedy, and slice of life, do give it a try, and it will totally delight you in every sense.
With this, it's time to wrap up. We'll meet again with another drama and another review. Till then, like and share our video and comment down below which team you belong to, Team Suho or Team Sojun.
We are definitely Team Suho.
And subscribe to our channel.
Till then, goodbye.
Annyeong!